Did you know that some of the most overlooked small town businesses are quietly producing millionaires? Yeah, because most people today are chasing tech setup, they are chasing online fame. They seem not to look behind them to see what they are leaving behind. So in today's video, we are going to be looking at some of those small town businesses which people ignore these days, which are quietly producing millionaires. And to see this, I've used 5 criteria to sort these businesses out. And the first criteria I used is all about the business being able to produce immediate income. You know, I always say this, we use money on a daily basis, so we need to make money equally on a daily basis. There is no need for you to have bills to settle every day and you keep waiting for end of month or end of week for you to touch money. So some of these businesses are businesses that you can make money every day. That was the first criteria. The second criteria is the fact that it should not warrant any special skills. Like those who want to engage in this particular businesses must not be trained. You can still proceed and do business without any formal training, which makes your business also flexible and also not discriminating at all. And also another criteria is about the fact that the business should be like repeatable. It should not be business that you do today and it vanishes. Yes, because there's some people who do businesses in the next few months to come, you can no longer do that particular business, like seasonal businesses. So these businesses are not seasonal. They are businesses that you can do them over and over and over. And another criteria I use is about scalability. The business should not be business that is just for a short period of time. It should be able to take you over time. It should be able to maybe produce you money even when you sleep at a certain level. You know, when we are going into businesses, our sole aim is not just the immediate profit. We are looking into the future. Passive income is what we are building here. We are looking into a system where we can do business such that in some time to come, the system we have put in place will be able to like give us our daily bread, produce us money on daily basis. So the business should also be something scalable. And the last one is all about flexibility. It should not have strings, no strings to be attached. Those businesses should be like, it should involve everybody, no discrimination. You understand? So those are some of the criteria that I've used to group to you these 6 amazing businesses to be done if you are out of town or in small towns and make your money. Remember, people who are out of town, they are stuck behind ideas. They are not chasing the tech setup. They are not chasing the online fame as others are doing. They are chasing these ideas. They are making money from the ideas. Without wasting much of our time, let's check out those 6 amazing businesses which you can effectively do from small towns and make good money for yourself and for your family. The first one I've put out here is about auto repair. Auto repair can be on fixed position or it can also be mobile. Now when I talk about auto repair, I'm not talking only about cars, because not everybody in this small town will own a car. At times people own motorcycles, or people own bicycles. These are different means that people use in order to like circulate around the area. So setting up a small garage or a small auto mechanic shop is something that can have flexibility. It is scalable. You don't need like so much capital to invest in. Yes, because you know some businesses are always good, but when you look at what you have to put in, at times it's about the capital that makes people not to be able to engage in such businesses. So now in a small a village setting or small town setting, if your motor mechanic or your auto repair shop is there where you fix these things, people come on daily basis. People will come because these are things that have been produced to us by technology to ease our transportation, but they have breakdown all the time. So every day you can make money from this because there will always be somebody who needs repair. Now for you to make it more wider, you can now even include displacement. Like you can offer your services out of that comfort, out of that fixed place that you have. You can also make sure to go and deliver your services, because there are some people that will have breakdown, maybe where you are not located or where an auto repair is not located. There you can do one-on-one services, but at that time now you are taxing higher. The amount of money that you ask at that time is higher as compared to when they come and meet you on your own spot. So if you are living in a small town, you can also think about this particular business. Believe me or not, it is very good, and it is something that will bring money to the table on daily basis. Yes, over the time you can expand your business. Before we move on to the second one, welcome to my channel. My name is Modestine Favour. If it is the first time to come across my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, like the video, and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss out on any tip here. Here I share tips on business ideas. I share tips on YouTube growth. Like, I use my personal experience to share you tips and some real life stuff. So our number 2 is all about agri-business store. When I talk about agribusiness stores, I'm talking about selling agricultural products like fertilizers, seeds, farm tools. These are things that farmers purchase all the time, season in, season out. Because agriculture is not like before when they have a particular season to farm. No, this time around, people are farming all the time. It's either this season they're producing this, next season they're producing this, like all year in, year out. There is always something on the pipeline. So selling agricultural products in your small area will also help those farmers from always going to the big cities to purchase those things. I know going to the big cities at times also it warrants them to purchase in bulk, and not everybody can afford. So opening a small agricultural business store in your area is a plus. You're going to make money on it every day. You don't need some special skills to operate. It is scalable. You can increase your business with time, and it is so flexible. Why don't you choose this particular line of business? And the third point, I want us to check one small business idea in a small town setting that can fetch you money all the time, year in, year out, is rentals. If you have event rental items like dishes, like banners, like chairs, spoons, all these things can help you to set up your small rental shop. Now, how does this function? You know, in small town cities, when people have occasions, not everybody can afford dishes like in good quantities, or spoons or chairs, all those things. Now they'll come and rent from you during dates, births, festivals, like everything. When you are already known, they know, oh, I can come here to get canopy, I can come here to get maybe musical set, I can come here to get maybe chairs. All those things are inclusive. So opening up this small event rental place is a plus in a local setting, because individuals will always come to you. All you need to do is have your small fund, your small capital to start up. You don't need special trainings. You can make money all the time. It is not a seasonal business. There's no particular season for it. So event planning business in a local town setting is one business you should involve. Even at generator rentals, because in rural areas there's always this problem of electricity. Today no electricity, tomorrow no electricity. So you can add generator rentals to it. So just include everything. Next is about water purifying business. You know, in most rural areas or small towns, they always have this challenge of good drinking water. So if you can set up a small water purifying system where you can purify drinking water, you are going to make money. People can carry their normal daily use water around, but drinking water at times needs special, like clean water for the health, for your system, for your health. So setting up a small system like this in one a small town setting is very encouraging. First, low competition. Not everybody will even think about that. You can put the water as bottled water or sachet water, so that people of high class and low class will all afford, depending on their own level. Because if you only concentrate on bottled water, some people will not be able to afford it. Make sachet water for lesser amount, bottled water for higher amount. You can start supply. Yeah, you make money every day. People drink water every day, right? So this is one business. If you are in a local setting and you are looking for a business to invest in, please try it out. Like I said, water is a necessity. You cannot do without it. Talk less about good water again. Try this out and thank me in the comment section. And don't forget, you can expand your business with time. You start with delivery 10 liters, 20 liters, 100 liters. That is how your business will be growing. So that is one business I want you to look into if you are looking for a good business to do in an off-town area. Even in big towns, you can still do it. Despite the competition in big town, like I said, people drink water on daily basis. So there's always somebody to buy. Next one is about this business which looks boring to some people, but they don't know. Laundry or cleaning services. Yes, most people look at laundry or cleaning service business like something that is very slow, very boring. They forget to know that people need to be clean. There are many people who are working, they don't even have time to take care of themselves, they don't even have time to wash their own dresses. So opening a small service like this one, where you wash like everything, not just dresses, maybe carpets, curtains, bed sheets, like everything household. You can have fixed services as well as mobile services. For the beginning, start with your fixed services. Very soon you can even go into mobile services. Involve people around, like you can employ the youth around who are willing to do these services. Open something like a small company, cleaning company. It is highly profitable, my people. Highly profitable. People don't know money that is hidden behind laundry businesses. Offices need to be clean. Schools, private homes. There are some people who are outside, but they have built properties, they have properties back home, which needs care. You know, when you don't care for these properties, over the time they're going to depreciate and they're going to collapse. So from time to time, they pay people maybe once a week to just pass around and clean, dust, arrange everything before they leave. So this is a business I'm telling you that is highly, highly profitable. You can involve in it. Start with what you can. You don't need so much capital, small items to start up with, until you are financially fit to open something bigger. It is scalable. Over the time you can grow. Okay, so laundry or cleaning services is one thing I would greatly advise you to try out in your area, in your town, and see how the outcome will be. It's going to be favorable. Like I said, it is a boring business, but it is producing millionaires. And here is the seed business. Most places have issues with waste management. That is the truth. Waste management is so challenging. Set up a waste management. I can call it a small enterprise. You can start with one person, 2, 3, 4 people, and grow over time. Managing waste in your area is not just about making money, it's also about keeping your environment clean. So many areas have this problem because people don't know how to manage, especially plastic waste. They don't even know there are something like recycling companies around. So you can involve in this particular business, like waste management business, recycling the plastics container, bottles, and whatever needs to be recycled there. If your capital does not permit you to get to that extent, you can create like links with big companies in cities where they do this recycling stuff, and channel your materials directly to them. So waste management can be done in this way. You can set up small strategic areas in your town, in your area, where you keep the boxes there. Now the local indigenes empty there, and you and your associates maybe do emptying into the bigger places once a week. This is always payable. There are big homes also, you can manage their waste. It's all payable. So this is a business that so many people cannot even dare to do it. But like I said, it's not always about the money behind it. It's also about what you're doing for your environment. Though there's money behind it, yes. Because imagine managing waste and you are being paid. Selecting those things inside which can be recycled again, selling them out, still making money out of it. Can you see? Earning from 2 directions. So if you want to think about something in your area, think about waste management business as well. It is also your contribution to your environment. Let me give you one small bonus. And the bonus is all about what? You can also create a small content studio, content creation studio in your area. Here you can snap pictures. Here you can train people on digital skills. Remember, the world is evolving. No matter the fact that your businesses are local, you don't need these things, but people need these skills in order to take their businesses to the next level. This is going to help to build people more, like photographers, video editors, content creators, because people like to evolve alongside with the reality, with tech, but at times they are limited because they don't have the knowledge. Thank you for sticking to the end of this video. If this video added value to you, please kindly like, kindly comment, kindly subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to drop in the comment section which of the businesses interests you more and which of them you are going to be starting anytime soon. Thank you. Until next time, stay blessed.